Hi Henry, so now this is our website and now I'll show you how the vendor can manage the product and add the product. Just click on the login. Later I'll tell you how you can add the vendor. Sale at rate outlet pay.com and the Godwin is your password. Click on the login. Oh my god, sale at rate sales sorry yes sales. What are the issues? Oh my god, dot co.uk. Yeah, I'm in. So this is dashboard of the vendor, not for the user. Okay, there is a seller dashboard option, dashboard summary, seller profile, order, product, everything. So now I'll tell you from the start how you can add the product. Click on the product. These are the product. First, click on this plus icon. Here is the product name, small description about the product tag. If you don't want, just leave it. Every field is not required. Keywords, these are for the SEO purpose only. Where other one will be data. Feature product, if you want to make it that product as a featured product, then you have to add yes, otherwise no. Category filter required. Actually, this type of data will show you on the home page. Model, if the product have any model number, SKU, UPC, EAN number, ISBN, MPN. These are the different types of parameters for the product. Location, what is the price, text class. If the product is textable, then you can add a text, otherwise none. Quantity, what is the stock of uh, the product, and this is a minimum quantity order. Like suppose you want a reminder for this stock, then you can add it. Sub Subtract stock, if you want to track this stock, then you can do. Out of stock, if you want to out of stock this product, uh, 2 to 3 days, then you can do. Shipping is required, yes. Date available, dimension parameters, weight parameter. Yeah, this is the most important. Once you will not enable it, product will not show on the website. Okay, now the other manufacturer, if the product have any manufacturer. Category is the main important part, where you want this product to be added. This is a category. Filter, if you want any type of filter. Attributes, You can add multiple type of attributes, suppose color and everything. Option is not required. If you want to give any discount from the date start and from the date end, you can do. Special customer group, if you want to give a loyalty program, then you can do. Here's the product image. You can add multiple image like a gallery. Reward point not required. SEO URL, what will be the URL of the vertical product, which will be a should be a SEO friendly. Okay, so this type you can add the product for the particular seller. Here is the payment. If admin gives some payment on withdraw or anything, that should be come here. These are the options of the seller. Now I'll tell you how the admin will work. Okay. This is the main admin dashboard where you can remove your taxation units, like you ask for remove the VAT and all. First, I'll tell you this is a category where you can add categories, products, profiles, filters. You can make the filters, attributes. You can make create attribute, manufacturers, downloads. So this type of this is not a required part. Okay? If you are not good technical, this is also not required. This is for the design purpose. Sale, some order will come, then you can get a notification in this particular section. New order, recurring return, gift voucher. Customer can add into this portion. Marketing. Here is the option for the to add the vendor and create stores, store management, commission, invoice, everything. Seller review. You can add from here. You can get the reports. Now you come to the taxation part. So you can find the taxes in a system, then localization, and then taxes. Come to the taxes. Taxes rates are here. Eco tax and the VAT. If you want to remove, you can just remove. Let me do- yeah. As it is currently assigned to two tax classes. Okay, so percentage, fixed amount, customer group default, it will be done. Uh, Downloadable product, remove it. I think this text class should be removed. Yeah. So now you can remove the text race. Oh, what happened? Text classes. Valid. All these parameter was not defined. That's why there are some issues. I'll tell you. See, while deleting this can make website very blank. So all these things can be should rectify some token issues. Oh my God. Yeah, that's fine now. You have designed this website. They make that bat is as a default. That's why the token is missing. Text classes. You know, will work everything fine. That is not an issue. Okay, fine. So do it. If any issue, just let me know.